welcome back to my channel. So today I created this look. I hope you guys enjoy it. It has a little bit of aqua and brown, and honestly I don't know if I would wear this to go out because, you know, I'm more of a natural type of look person, but I wanted to try something with a pop of color on my channel. So I hope you guys enjoy this look. I'm feeling all the mermaid vibes here, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys leave, and also turn on your notifications for my channel so every time I upload a video you guys are notified. So let's get on to the video. As always, I'm starting off with my Mario Badescu facial spray. This is my favorite thing ever. I just put some in my mouth. For moisturizer today, I'm using this moisturizer from Glam Glow. It's called the Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer, and this is in the shade Nude Glow. For primer today, I'm using this primer from Wet n Wild. It's a matte primer. It makes your face matte, and I used to have the same one but in white, and all they did was change the packaging, so it's the same one. And this only costs $5, and it's so good. It's such a good primer. So $5, and it's cruelty free. It's gonna add the primer basically everywhere, but I always focus it right next to my nose, right here, on the bridge of my nose, on my chin, and the rest of the primer I just put it in the rest of my face, whatever's left over. But I focus it in these areas. Before I put on foundation, I'm gonna go in with this concealer from Maybelline. This is an Age Rewind concealer, and this is in the shade, it's like honey. I think this shade is a little bit darker than my skin tone, but it's gonna help brighten up the areas that I want to cover basically under my foundation. I'm gonna put it all over those ugly pimples. We are going full coverage today. I'm just gonna go in with my wet damp beauty blender. This is not the beauty blender. This is the Real Techniques. Pretty sure this is from Real Techniques. And I'm just going to blend everything out. For foundation, I'm going to use this foundation from Revlon. It's the Photo Ready Airbrush Effect Foundation, and I'm pretty sure this is too dark for my skin tone, so I might just mix it with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, which is a lighter shade, so it can match me. And just blending it out. So I did my eyebrows off camera, and now we're going to move on to the eyes. To prime the lids, I'm using the NYX HD Concealer. Next, to set them, I'm using the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. I'm putting so much, so I came and I went back and I blended it out. Next, I'm using the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm using this cream shade. And honestly, this shade did nothing, so I went to the Carly Bible Deluxe palette. I went into that violet shade and put that all over my crease. For my next crease shade, I used this brown shade from the Morphe 350M palette, and I just worked it in my crease. Next, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just using this concealer to make a cut crease on my eye. Then I went to the Morphe Kathleen Lights palette, and I took this shade. Remember, if you don't have these palettes, and honestly I don't have many palettes, you could use whatever shade is similar and it will work just fine. Next, I went into this camel brown shade, and I put that right in between the blue and the brown shade. Next, I used this brown shade, and I put it in the outer V of my eye, and I just blended it in. So my eyelashes are on, and I'm going to continue on to finish my face, and then I'll go back to my eyes and finish them up. So now I'm going to put on some concealer, and before I do that, I'm going to clean off the excess powder and eyeshadow powder from when I was doing my eyes. And for concealer today, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. So now I'm going to add shade number 10 and put it right a little bit right on top right here and on the bridge of my nose. So now I'm just going to set everything with my favorite powder ever is my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm just going to wipe off the excess powder that I have under my eyes. I'm going to go into the brown shade I went into earlier for my crease. And I'm going to put that under my eyes, and then I'm going to go in with a darker brown shade. Next, I'm going to go into that darker shade I used at the end. Then I went on to contour my face. I just used the Shade and Light palette, and I used those two shades to contour. For blush, I used this palette from BH Cosmetics, and I used this pink color right here. To highlight my nose, I used this pearly peach shade from the Carly Bible Deluxe palette. To line my lips, I used the shade Aquarius from ColourPop, and then I used the Milani matte lipstick, and I don't know what shade it was, but it was like a nudie or a pink or a rose. I think it was called Rose, to be honest. Lastly, I used the same highlight shade I used for my nose. I used it to highlight my tear ducts. And that completes this look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!